this is the actual window sticker for this car.
That's crazy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see by today's title and thumbnail, we're finally back onto the Cobra. But we're not wrenching, we're not doing anything like that. But
it's another unboxing video.
It's an unexpected surprise from SVT.
Yeah, so do you guys remember in the very beginning I said that we had something coming for this car? It's finally here.
Yes.
So as you can see, I did open it already just to make sure everything was in there, but it says do not bend. Wonder what could be in there. So I'm gonna get on this side of the car just so you can actually see me open it. This is a pretty cool package. Now, it took a lot of finding or a lot of digging to actually find this, but I think you guys will appreciate it. So this was technically two different packages, and I'll kind of break them down as we are actually doing this. But in the first package, we got a nice little SVT. What's SVT stand for, Nick?
Special Vehicle Team.
Special Vehicle Team. So this is actually a pretty nice keychain. It's one of the ones that kind of annoy me though, how that just flaps like that. That's always kind of annoyed me, but it is still a nice keychain. So we are gonna go ahead and put that right on the key ring with the key for
the Cobra.
For the Cobra. So that's one of the first things that came in the package deal. This was the other thing. So I thought it was going to be a little bit better quality, honestly, but I'm not mad about it. This is going to be a nice little garage banner. So once again, kind of showcasing the special vehicle team.
Emphasis on special.
Special vehicle team. So we've got a nice little SVT banner. I'm actually not mad about the size though, because my plan was to put it right here. And I think if we do that, that actually looks good without being too much of overkill. So we're gonna drape that right over there for now. So special vehicle team. So that's gonna be, that was just kind of one of the bonus features of this actual like package.
Oh, you weren't expecting the keychain or that?
I knew it was going to be part of it, but it wasn't the main reason that I did it. The main reason I did it was for what is in this stack of cardboard right here. So this will actually, and I'll kind of break this down just to kind of show you guys. So this came from Ford Show Parts. So the first package was the SVT certificate package, which came with, let's see here, the certificate that I'm going to show you. I did pay a little bit extra for a duplicate certificate so I could have two of them. Came with the banner and the keychain, and then I think there was one other thing that was technically part of this. But obviously it's showing a bunch of blah, 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 gibberish. So technically that package was $80. The duplicate certificate was $24. The banner, which I can't remember, I thought that came with it. Maybe the banner was separate. I think I paid 15 bucks for that. The keychain came with it. And then, so in total, I spent $226 on this package, which really isn't bad for what I'm about to show you. I think it's very cool. So then we got a nice little letter in here. Dear 1994 Mustang Cobra owner, welcome to the Ford Performance family, blah, 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 blah. Just kind of a nice little feature to have in there. This is where it starts getting cool. I'm going to cover this up temporarily because we're going to show you this in phases. So we have the 1994 SVT production numbers, and this goes from the coupe, the convertible, and the Lightning. And then it breaks it all down. So for 1994, they made 5,009 Cobra coupes. They made 1,000 Cobra convertibles and 4,007 Lightnings. So total 10,016 units for the SVT. So there were 10,016 special vehicles on the road in 1994. But then the cool thing is, it breaks them all down here as well. So you can see for the convertible, you only got one option.
Yeah.
And so it's 1 of 1,000. That's it. For the actual coupes, it breaks it down by the interior trim and the paint code. So technically, the rarest of all of them would actually be a white coupe with the cloth saddle brown interior. You'd be 1 of 123.
Dang.
Which is kind of crazy, but then again, you're also getting cloth.
Yeah.
That's kind of
Which seems weird to me. Why would they put cloth on a Cobra?
Yeah.
You know?
I don't know. But mine is the red. So you had red, black, and white. Those were your only colors. The convertibles, you only got red, and then the Lightnings were black, red, and white. So mine has the black leather interior. So technically speaking, out of all these builds, mine is 1 of 625.
That's crazy.
Which is kind of cool considering the condition that it's in. It's kind of cool seeing that broken down. So that was kind of a nice feature. I don't know if it said that it was going to throw this in there or not, but that's pretty cool. Could you find that on Google? Probably. But it's still a nice feature to have with this package.
Yeah.
So the next piece of the package, we have our certificate, but they also broke it down because I ordered a duplicate. We got another one of the letters. They also break down the VIN decoder. If you aren't in this industry at all and you don't know how to read the VIN, it breaks it down so you can know exactly how to read it, which is kind of cool. Nice little feature. But then we get this guy right here, which was what I was after. So this would have been the certificate that, and you can tell this is different paper. This would have been the certificate that you got when you bought this car brand new. And obviously with this being through multiple owners and whatever, probably got lost, something happened to it, whatever. But this just verifies that it is an actual Special Vehicle Team Cobra. And you can see that with the VIN, mine is number 2,788 of 5,009. So it was kind of right in the middle of production almost, which is kind of cool to see as well. So realistically, one of these is probably going to get framed and it's probably going to go up on the wall somewhere out here. I thought that'd be a cool decoration to have out here with the Cobra. So the rest of this package for this portion has a duplicate certificate and another VIN decoder. It basically doubled all of this. So that was the main thing that I was after when I was looking for this package deal. The second portion, which I don't know. I don't know if this other portion is cooler or not. I think it kind of is, to be honest with you, but I don't know. This was another thing that I saw as an option on their website, so I went ahead and did it. We have a couple different things in here. This is the actual window sticker for this car.
That's crazy. Can you imagine, just real quick, can you imagine paying almost $24,000 for a brand new car?
Yeah. Granted, it was in 1994,
it was in 94, but still.
this breaks down everything that the car had. It tells the original dealership that it shipped to out of the Ford plant. It was assembled, final destination or final assembly point was the Dearborn plant. It says it left on a convoy. It breaks it all down, and it even says, like I said, what dealership it went to. So this car originated in Illinois, was the first place it was ever sold.
Huh. That's wild.
Which is kind of crazy. And then obviously it breaks down just like any other window sticker, all the options that it has and yada yada. But that's just so cool to me to have the original window sticker. So once again, this is something that I'm probably going to put in a frame, and we'll put it up out here somewhere in the garage on the wall, just because that is such a cool thing to have. But this package goes a little bit deeper. So they also gave the tech card. So this is something that you would have seen at the dealership. You can see the multiple different angles of the Cobra. Not really sure why they did a top view, but
Yeah.
I guess it is kind of cool. I thought maybe they would have done the other side to kind of mirror match it. But
real quick, listen, guys, or one guy, we know the hood is correct for this car. You didn't have to yell at us and be a jerk.
That's valid.
We said we were new.
That's valid.
I'm new.
I'm part of the special vehicle.
I'm not a douchebag. I'm new.
But you can see that this breaks down all the different tech specs of the Cobra. They're claiming a 0 to 60 in 6.3 seconds.
Sheesh.
I say that that's 0 to 60 eventually at that point. But it's just really cool to be able to see all of the original specs.
Yeah.
So that, you know, you can figure out what transmission it has, what the gearing ratio was. It even tells you the horsepower. So technically this was rated for 240,
God.
which I thought it would have been less than that, honestly.
So that's probably like less than 200 horsepower to the tire.
Probably. And this actually, I don't know if this one is specific to no. So we've got, it says the main interiors were black and saddle. Obviously you could have leather or cloth, but it breaks down the colors as well. So you have crystal white, black clear coat, or Rio red tinted clear coat, which is what this one would be.
Gotcha.
So that's just cool to have this, and imagine walking into a Ford dealership in 1994 looking to buy one of these and looking at this, and I don't know, it's just nostalgic to me because this is the same thing. So this is the actual booklet.
Look at that Cobra, bud.
This is what you would have looked at the dealership if you were looking to buy and or build a Cobra.
Hey, look, it's your car.
Yeah.
Same color, too.
And look, I get it. It's got the hood on here. I get it. But then we filter through and it's just got all of the different information. I can't wait to see this view at some point when we can get this thing up and running. But it'll break down all the engine specs and talk to you all about the engine and what was done to it. So the Cobra's GT40 cylinder heads. It's just, and it even, you guys can't smell it, but Nick and I can. It just has.
It smells nostalgia.
It does. I don't know how else to explain it.
You guys know the smell. You've smelled it before once or twice.
To be honest with you, I think it's the printing method that they used, because feel that. It's definitely the printing method, but they don't print like this anymore.
No.
So then we've got another picture of the Cobra. And the body shop side of me is screaming because of all the mismatched paint. But that's how this one looks too, if I'm being honest. So it's just, it screams at me though. But then we start getting into, you know, some of the brakes and suspension. Again, which I said this before, it's got the correct wheels. But this is just so cool to actually filter through. And one of the downsides of this printing method, as you can see, the pages do kind of stick together and they kind of tear up a little bit. But, you know,
and that's true, because I remember every book that I got as a kid, every car book, they all did that.
Yeah, it's because of the printing method. Huh. So then we've got another, this is basically a duplicate of this.
Gotcha.
So they would have these out on display for people to look at, but then if you were actually serious about buying one, then they would break out this book and you would kind of look through this. And then you would essentially place your order and get your 1994 SVT Cobra. So I just think that, again, you know, we'll kind of lay all this out so you guys can see it. So obviously you've got your, the main paperwork that I was after were these two pieces right here. This one's trying to be a special and run away from me. But those were the main two things I was after. Everything else that was kind of thrown in was
kind of a
bonus to have. Will I really do much with them? Probably not, but it's still a cool feature to have. Yeah. Because it's something that, again, how many of these are still around, you know? And there's only so long that this company's going to sell this stuff before they stop producing it anymore. Because you guys can't see it here in person, but this is the actual sticker paper.
Yeah, so we could peel that and stick it on the window
if we really wanted to.
Yeah.
So you can actually see where the perforation is right there. And we could stick it on the window just like it would have been. But realistically, we're probably going to frame this and put this up because I think I mentioned the price. This whole package with the SVT certificate was $80. The window sticker by itself was $80.
Dang.
So, and if you guys are to ever order from this company, it's Ford show parts. So if you are gonna ever order any of these for your Cobras, whatever the case may be, Lightnings,
or any SVT vehicle for that matter,
any SVT vehicle, order this separate from this, because this can take at minimum 4 months to produce. So order that separate, because I didn't pay attention to that, so all of this shipped as one order. So I had to wait months. I ordered this before we even had the Cobra in our possession. We already knew we were buying it, but it wasn't here yet.
Yeah.
But because I purchased these together, that stuff wouldn't ship until this was ready to ship.
Yeah.
So learn from my mistake if you're ever gonna do this, but this is a great thing. I feel like it's not talked about and it's not as known.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't even know you could do this until you brought it up to me.
Yeah, but this would be the perfect gift to get some of your car friends or spouses that have SVT vehicles. Because I know if I didn't know this existed and somebody got this for me, I'd be like, what the fuck?
Yeah, I would be like, this is the best gift I have ever received.
Yeah, like that. I would be dumbfounded to actually know the history behind my car. But I think this is really cool to have too, just so we can have something SVT out in the garage. Because eventually we'll probably end up replacing some of these flags with more car stuff. But we want to showcase brands that support us. We don't want to just put any random brands up here and be like, hey guys, help us. Yeah. So this will be a nice addition to put up on the wall. There's just something nostalgic about seeing SVT, There's just something nostalgic about it. But we will go ahead and put a link in the description of this video to this website where you can search for and find these different package deals. They have plenty of other ones on their website. Obviously, this was the one that I was after and that was specific for what I was going for. But it's definitely worth looking into if you guys ever want to look into this for your cars or for somebody that has a car that you're looking to surprise them with something really cool, whatever the case may be.
All right, guys. Well, on that note, we're going to go play with our special vehicle. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, please like it, subscribe, do all the things.
And such.
And such. I forgot the such.
Yep.
But you guys have been killing it lately, as always.
And keep blowing up them shorts.
Yes, we love you for it. Again, like I said in a previous video, we were kind of slacking a little bit because life got in the way, unfortunately. But we are trying our best to bring you as much content as we physically can. So
tell Ohio's winter to fuck off, and maybe we'll have more.
It's been pretty bad lately, but on that note, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.